All right, we're back at it. How to make money as a producer part 3 right here. Now, check this out. If we're gonna make some money, we better make some money on a producer fee. This is your cost for making the beat. You gotta keep track of the time and the people that you had to pay or use to make this beat happen. Ask yourself, how much is your time worth while you're making this, right? Your time and value goes up as you go up in stature. And then you wanna set tiers for how you're gonna charge each artist and which artists are just gonna fall off the bottom for you and which artists you wanna keep bringing into your funnel as you build it up and up and up. Now, if you get this right, you can reduce the amount that you will actually have to recoup on your producer royalty. Remember we talked about that in part 1? Here's the biggest tip. Don't confuse your advance for your fee. Keep track of your time and the people that you paid to make the track happen. Ask yourself, how much is your time and effort worth? And finally, set tiers for how much you will charge each artist. Therefore, if you make music, you should make money like always. Follow for more music business tips.